See it, Coda. Nice.
Ooh, we made it home and all of my roses have blossomed. You guys, look at these. They are the most beautiful things and there are hundreds of them. This plant is so tall. That's a 6-foot tall window. But look at this sunset we came home to. Oh, it was the most perfect weekend. Desperately need to mow this yard. My goodness, you guys, I am just feeling, my hair's a little crazy. I am just feeling so incredibly grateful right now. This weekend is truly one of the best weekends of the year. I know I've said that many times, but I mean it. The kids absolutely love it, and I love that they get to make strong connections and build their relationships with extended cousins that they don't get to see probably more than once or twice a year. There were a few things that happened this weekend, like the boys playing baseball in the big open field surrounded by wildflowers and that beautiful forest that just take my breath away. They are absolutely priceless memories, and I know that the kids are going to remember it forever. So I'm feeling so incredibly grateful tonight as we got home. We spent a couple hours unloading, trying to clean up. Everyone has showered but me. I have so much sunscreen in my hair from spraying my scalp, and I really just need to go shower, but I could not pass up coming out here with the sunset and just saying how grateful I am for this weekend. Things got a little hectic there at the end. We actually weren't planning on coming home until after the campfire tonight, so we were going to be home really late. Tomorrow's actually the 4th of July. It's Monday right now, but the only reason we didn't do that is because right after dinner, and Cody and I were in charge of dinner tonight, we did hamburgers, cheeseburgers, and hot dogs, and fruit and chips, and it was so yummy. But as soon as we were finished eating, the craziest storm came in out of nowhere. And I'm talking the most insane winds that we saw just on the little dirt road from our camp. We saw 4 trees that had blown down in the road. And then on the highway, once we almost got to our home, there was a tree completely over the road that a cop was pulled over, cutting into pieces, trying to clear it from the road. Dakota is actually at a rodeo with his best friend tonight, and the whole power for the city that he's in went out because of trees falling on power lines. Luckily, they were able to get it back up and running for the rodeo, but this craziest storm out of nowhere came, and we couldn't even vlog because it was literally all hands on deck, sprinting to put down the easy ups and the awnings on the trailers, and we knew that we were coming home tonight, but if our tent trailer, the canvas gets wet, we can't fold it up. So it was a dead sprint there at the end. Everyone pitched in and helped everyone, and it was incredible how much we got done in about 10 minutes. It was a crazy storm for a minute, but it cleared up, and now it is the most beautiful summer night. I don't know if you can hear those crickets, but it is absolutely peaceful out here, you guys. But I just had to come out here and say how grateful I am and how awesome this weekend was.
Thank you for watching, guys.